Welcome back to my channel, bro. This channel provides information about all automotive, both new and old generations. Let's go straight video. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Get ready to rev your engines because the iconic Nevera model is gearing up for a special 15th anniversary edition in 2024. For those of you who aren't familiar, the Nevera is a timeless classic known for its unbeatable speed and unmatched style. And guess what? A new special edition is on the horizon, so buckle up for an exciting ride. Creating a special edition that lives up to the incredible reputation of the original Nevera comes with its fair share of challenges. From balancing innovation with tradition to meeting the high expectations of fans, the pressure is on to deliver something truly extraordinary. So, what can we expect from the 2024 Nevera edition? Think enhancements, modifications, and a whole lot of jaw-dropping upgrades. From cutting-edge features to sleek design changes, this edition is set to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. But wait, there's more. The standout feature of the 2024 Nevera edition is a game-changer. We're talking about a revolutionary technology that sets it apart from anything we've seen before. Get ready to be amazed. In summary, the 2024 Nevera edition is not just a car, it's a symbol of innovation, legacy, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As we celebrate this milestone, let's take a moment to appreciate the impact this classic model has had on the automotive world. Now, it's your turn to join the celebration. Don't forget to show some love by liking this video, subscribing for more updates on classic car editions, and sharing your thoughts on the 2024 Nevera edition in the comments below. Your voice matters, so let's keep the conversation going. And there you have it, folks. The 15th anniversary of the 2024 Nevera edition is a tribute to the past, a nod to the future, and a testament to the timeless allure of classic cars. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep the wheels spinning and the engines roaring.